2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. I like his license plate. Stolen. So it's got the tips built into the muffler, into the bumper. We're leaving those alone. But there's the muffler that's on it right there. And so we're going to have to do a muffler delete on it. So we'll put a custom T-pipe, Y-pipe setup where the muffler is, because there's one muffler. There's one over here and the other side is on this side. And then there's the resonator that was on it. We're going to take that off too. And then the cat is up there on the manifold. We're not touching that. But it's the Stelvio. So we're going to do a resonator delete and a muffler delete. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys hear it first. It is quiet. Give me gas. It's not bad. Too quiet for my liking. Again. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 80. One more. All right, stay tuned. We'll let you guys hear after we're done with it. And that's the T-pipe I was telling you guys about. We custom make them in-house for these applications. All right, so on the Alfa Romeo, he's murdering the whole thing out. That's why it's missing all these pieces. He's blacking it out. Really nice. Let me show you guys. So it's got a factory downpipe right now. He's gonna go catless next, but we didn't do it. Did a resonator delete there, where that old resonator was. We did a muffler delete, as you guys can see, like we were talking. Right there. Came out nice and clean. Had a little angle to it because one is lower than the other, but he matched it up nicely into the tips in the back. So there's that muffler delete. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler right there that was on it. And there's the resonator that was on it that we cut off. As you guys can see, it's got two exits. And that's the inlet right in the middle. There's the resonator. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Do you have a tune or anything on it yet?
It's a stock.
Stock, okay. It's got a nice idle to it. Now you can actually hear it. Imagine cold start. It's going to sound really, really nice, guys. That's idle. It's right at 74, so it's not unbearable. Go ahead and give it gas. Oh, yeah. Do you approve?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, he loves it. Perfect. I like it. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. Right at 101. One more. A stupid rev limiter, man. They put a rev limiter on there.
I'm gonna have to remove that when I tune it.
Yeah. I'm gonna back it out. Because he was looking, he's like, oh, I gotta send the computer out.
You can do
So he needs to do more research. Yeah. But if it's plug and play, it's easier.
Yeah, way better.
Go ahead. Yeah, it sounds really nice. It's got a nice stand. It looks like a Porsche almost. The body lines. Huh, it's interesting. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. I can't say the name of it, but it's sick. They're very rare in the States. You don't see a lot of them, but it's a turbo. And we just fully straight piped it the exhaust Addicts way. Straight pipe everything. Why not? He's gonna murder it out. It's gonna be fun. He's gonna bring it back when it's done, because he's gonna do quad tips on it too. So it's gonna look really nice when it's quad tips. Oh, it's quick too. Heck yeah, I love it. Enjoy, guys.